Hey, I'm Lucas. My professor told us we had to write a 10-page paper on the environment, but we're supposed to pick some aspect of the environment to write about. Want to see my assignment? I told him, no problem, I'll write about recycling, because I guess I must know as much about recycling as anybody. But he says I have to write about something more specific. He said recycling is too broad. Do you know what he's talking about?
You're not bad at this. Actually, I would have accepted B or C. The problem with recycling is that it's so broad there's no way it would fit into a 10-page paper. I mean, surely he's not going to write about every type of recycling throughout all time, all over the world. What's his focus? Secondly, recycling doesn't probe very deeply. If you turned this topic into a research question, it would be, what is recycling? Which is kind of broad and not very interesting. Wouldn't it be better if he wrote about some specific aspect of recycling? What Lucas needs to do is narrow his topic by applying some limiters. Limiters narrow the topic by making it more specific. Let's go to the board. When faced with the research assignment, some students go straight to Google or Wikipedia. Sometimes even I do that, and it can be pretty helpful in the early stages of research. But you need to understand that it's just the first stop, not the end of your research. One thing these early sources can help you do is learn more about the area you want to research, so you can pick your specific topic. For example, I looked up Lucas's topic, recycling, on these sites as well as on the Gale Virtual Reference Center database, and learned it has an interesting history and that it's different from place to place. This gave me the idea that Lucas could use time and geography as his limiters. Why don't you play around with these limiters until you find a topic within recycling that seems interesting and narrow enough?
Oh, awesome. This gave me an idea for my topic. What kinds of recycling of everyday products were common in frontier America? I'm a bit of a history buff, so I'm actually pretty psyched about this.
Good job. Now see if you can help Zach and Ellie narrow their topics.
Hi, I'm Zach. I need to give a 10-minute presentation on contemporary U.S. television for my media studies class. I want to focus on a specific genre of TV. Can you help me? You know, I have a little thing for American Idol. So if you don't mind, I think I want to research the benefits of reality shows. See how all this television is improving my mental capacities. Thanks for your help.
I'm Ellie. My political science professor wants us to research a topic on contemporary voting tendencies in the U.S. for a 12-page paper. Can you help me with this? Yes, that's nice, but my favorite is the African American voting tendencies. I think I'll go with that one.
Great. So in summary, make sure that your research topic is narrow enough to be focused and interesting, while not so narrow that you have trouble finding information. Use limiters like time period, geography, or population to narrow your focus.